For number 25, let's see if this usage of nevertheless is correct. So, without sea otters present, nevertheless, kelp forests run the danger of becoming barren stretches of coastal wasteland known as urchin barrens. So let's remember that nevertheless is pretty similar to in spite of or despite, and it's definitely not despite not having sea otters. It's because sea otters aren't present. Kelp forests become or run the danger of becoming barren stretches because then all the kelp gets eaten by the urchins, sea urchins. So we definitely don't want nevertheless. That is not correct based on what we've just been told. It's again, kelp forests run the danger because sea otters aren't present. So we don't want A. Um, what about B? However, so without sea otters present, however, kelp forests run the danger. We know that however is used often, not often. It's used to introduce some kind of, again, counter or contrast to something that was said before. In this case, it's not. It's a little bit indirect. It's This isn't in contrast with what was said before. It's not in contrast with this, but it's in contrast with what was just being talked about, right? Like we were just being told all about how the presence of otters, um, basically helps the kelp a lot. And so this is saying, like, on the other hand, so without sea otters, however, kelp forests run the danger of becoming barren stretches of coastal wasteland. However, definitely makes sense in this case. Let's see the other ones. C, hence, without sea otters present, hence, kelp forests, no. So, hence, that's like from this moment on, right? So, hence wouldn't be very, good in this context. And D, likewise, that is not correct because without sea otters present, kelp forests do run danger, but with sea otters present, kelp forests are not in danger. So it's not likewise, so it's not D. So we want B, however.